This video I'm going to teach you how to mix Roundup weed killer. So first thing you need to do is you need to determine which Roundup product you need. It can be extended control, weed and grass killer, top poison ivy killer, Roundup for lawns, as well as max control. So I have in here this article that can help us. Choose a Roundup product formula for your crop or lawn. So because different products work for different types. For example, you can choose one Roundup per 1 US gallons. So for example, put in here 6 ounces of Roundup for 1 gallon of water. Now from in there, you can use it for 1 gallon for 1,000 square feet. That is enough for that. So if your yard is 2,000 square feet, then you need 2 gallons of this. Now in here, you can also see in here that we have 3 pounds per acre if you have the extended control, then add it per gallon for large areas. So this is the actual computation for that. 3 pounds per 1 acre, 10 and to 30 row. Then just compute that and you have 1 pound per acre. You can use this to calculate. You can also fill your tank sprayer using this one, using the formulation that I have provided for the per gallon option that we have right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.